Ranking on Amazon is crucial. Most sellers already know that. Many even manage to rank. But here is the real problem no one talks about. They can't sustain it. Ranking gets expensive very fast and most sellers can't keep pushing long enough to make it profitable. That's why ranking works for a while and then everything collapses. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to rank on Amazon in a way that's actually sustainable. Not just how to get there, but how to stay there without bleeding money every single day. And stick with me till the end of this video because I'll also show you how to know whether your listing can even rank before spending aggressively. Before we jump in, let me introduce myself quickly. Hi, my name is Anup Patel. I'm the founder of Ads Zenith. I have been managing Amazon ads for the past 6 years and people have said some really good things about my work, as you can see on your screen now. And if you would like to check my work, simply search Anup Patel Amazon or Ads Zenith on Google. You will find my Fiverr gig, the real clients reviews, my website and LinkedIn profile. Let's connect on LinkedIn too. I share a lot of Amazon PPC tips there as well. By the way, I've spent years testing PPC in the real world, so I know what actually works with Amazon PPC and sustainable ranking. Let's get into it. First, let's understand why ranking becomes expensive in the first place. Most sellers use exact match to rank and they are not wrong. Exact match gives the cleanest signal to Amazon's algorithm for ranking. But here's the issue. Exact match gets expensive very fast. CPCs jump, ACoS looks ugly, and because sellers panic when ACoS rises, they reduce the bids or kill the ranking campaigns too early. Ranking window shuts, game over. This is where phrase match becomes very interesting. Phrase match lets you capture the main keyword plus close variants, and those close variants still push velocity for main keyword. For example, if you want to rank mushroom coffee, phrase match will pick up mushroom coffee instant, organic mushroom coffee and mushroom coffee powder. So these still have buying intent. They are cheaper than exact and they give you more volume, means more velocity, and velocity is the fuel for ranking, and at the same time it will be pushing ranking for your keyword mushroom coffee also. Now here is how to set it up properly. Take the keywords you want to rank and create single keyword targeting campaigns with phrase match. If you have 5 keywords, create 5 different campaigns, and if you don't want to go with 5 campaigns, you can put them all together, but only if their search volumes or similar. Don't mix 2 keywords with 30,000 searches and 3 keywords with 1 or 2,000 searches. Otherwise, the high search volume keywords will eat the budget and low volume ones won't get any traction. Now, once the campaigns are set, optimize at bid level and placement level. Keep adding negative as well because phrase match pulls variations and not all of them convert. Negatives clean the traffic and improve conversion. Now you may be asking, what about exact match? Exact match still has its place. Keep exact running with modest bids so it sends a clean ranking signal. In simple words, exact builds the signal, phrase builds the velocity. But here is the catch that most people ignore. None of this works if your conversion rate is weak. Amazon won't rank a listing that doesn't convert. So make sure your CVR is better than the category or at least similar to it. If you are wondering how to check category benchmark, let me show you that. Okay, to check your CVR, benchmark CVR for your category, simply go on the reports and then business reports, and then you'll need to click on detail based sales and traffic by child item. Once you are here, you need to click on the child essence and then you will be landed to this dashboard. Here you can change your date range, like you can set month to date. Simply hit and this data will be showing here. You will see this more sales data, sales and others data here. And then once you come here, you have to you can compare the data here. First is order product sales, that is what we want. Next we want conversion, unit session percentage. So simply this is unit session percentage is actually conversion for your SN. So for this item here, I have made it hidden for my client's privacy, but you can assume this is for one child item we clicked. So now you see here, if you come here, you will see here, compare your performance against 25th percentile essence, 50th percentile essence, 75th percentile essence, top 10 essence. So of course, you would like to check your performance against top 10 essence in your niche, in your category. So here the dotted line is the average of top 10 ASINs, and this solid lines is U, and you can see the purple line is for unit session percentage, and this this orange line is for sales. So now here on the, by the way, you can compare this date wise, like this is first, second, third, fourth, 5th of January 2026, and you can see on first, if we see sales, the average sales of top 10 ASINs was 4,869.76, where this product sold 1598.40, and if you see conversion rate, unit session percentage for this item was 18.6, means conversion rate was 18.6, where the conversion rate for top 10 ASIN was 36%. Once you know what the market converts at, you know how aggressive you can be with ranking pushes. Now last tip is tracking. Track your rankings as you scale. If keywords are moving, keep pushing. If they stall, adjust bids or placement, and if they drop, look at conversion first before touching bids. This is how I rank on Amazon sustainably. Exact for signal, phrase for velocity, CVR for staying power, and category benchmark for confidence. If you want me to break down ranking for your product category like supplements, coffee, beauty, electronics, home, or private label, comment below. I can make a separate video just for that. Hit a like if you learned anything new here, and do subscribe to this channel to show me your support so that I can keep going with more unfiltered videos like this. Bye bye for now. Let's meet very soon with a new video with a new topic. Bye bye.